How to get stretched resolution on your Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 3 just on your laptop here. So please follow the steps I'm showing you on the screen. Hit the Windows key plus R on your desktop and type in %local app data % to find the Fortnite game folder. Now locate the game user setting file, navigate through the Fortnite games, click on the saved configuration and Windows client. Find the game user setting, right click and open the properties. Now editing the configure file, ensure the read only box is unchecked. Right click to choose edit and scroll down to the resolution section. Match all the instances to choose a resolution and save the file. Right click on the file, select properties and check on the read only box on the bottom of screen. Apply the changes to prevent Fortnite from messing with the resolution. So this is about how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.